Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the Dia de Muertos player, Edson Alvarez. He is a Mexican central defensive midfielder in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from it. And let's get started by tap your club, tap the exchange, and this one. As you can see, there are some options here. Tap the Dia de Muertos. This one, the CDM, Edson Alvarez. He is a Mexican player. Tap the trade with work rate attacking low, but the work rate defense is high. Part of Dia de Muertos player. And this is very useful. The trade, solid player, dive into tackle. He is very defensive midfielder, very useful in manager mode, of course. If you need this Edson Alvarez, you can exchange it with 140 Sempasuchil and also best Edson Alvarez. You can get best Edson Alvarez from a store by exchanging like a special pack, best pack, or even free pack. Yeah, definitely, of course, you can get this Edson Alvarez, the best one, with maybe 770 OVR base. So if you need this CDM Edson Alvarez, you can exchange it in this feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.